Ladies and gentlemen, it's an exciting day. You can see our breath. We are in Salt Lake City and we just picked up a new piece of junk. 2021 Canam RR, absolutely demolished. Just got her loaded up on the trailer, hanging off the front. We got a brand new frame. We did not know it was coming in a pallet. Thought it was gonna be way smaller. Back at the truck, we got intercooler, transmission, radiator shroud, a lot of extra junk. We were heading back to Gilbert or Mesa, about a 12-hour drive, and we'll be home. Show you guys how to get this baby apart and rebuilt. Here we go. Out here in the middle of nowhere, old Trevor boy is tapping out, and I'm tapping in. Here we go. Well, we made it back to the house about 6 a.m. We went straight inside, went to bed, took about a little 5-hour nap, and now about to start taking this frame out of this cage so we can get all this junk off the trailer and in the garage. King's happy to see us today. Hey, don't eat those leaves. Come on, let's get this frame out, bro. Come on. All right, I'm gonna start cutting this bad boy open and get to getting. Here we go. First look at the new frame. Ooh, she's clean. Oh yeah, baby. Get this baby all torn apart. Got a lot of bolts in there. Officially in the garage, baby. Plenty of room to walk around. Now, we gotta see if we can fit that broken biatch in here too. So painful to see. We'll get her handled. Car coming off now, baby. Got a sketchy single jack up front. We got the boys pushing. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Back in the shop, car's looking bad. We just pounded some Corona and we are feeling yacked. We got Trev down here working on the old skid plate. Unfortunately, Canam rivets their skid plates in instead of bolts. So we're gonna have to drill out a lot of rivets. Thankfully, we have our really good friend, Trevor Smith, that loves drills.
Got it.
One down, 47 to go. See you on the other side. How's that Corona? Yeah. It's the end of day one. We did a lot more than we had expected to get done. We got all the doors off. We got the rear bed off. We got the skid plate off. And she's looking pretty naked. Basically, the motor is just sitting there by itself. You can see through the car. We are gonna take this firewall out probably tomorrow. We have to take out some rivets, unfortunately, so it takes a while. Probably take out some of the center console. And yeah, the plan is hopefully we get the key tomorrow and we'll be able to fire it up, make sure everything runs good before we pull the motor and put it in the new frame that is now sitting in the backyard. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Got this side piece already pulled off. Checking out the old wire, little hack job deal. Gonna have to clean it up a little bit, get rid of all the extra wires. Gonna pull the other side off, take all of it out, and then move on to front plastics. I'm gonna post you guys up. Here we go. Like you guys saw, engine is loose, wires are fairly loose. We have a little tidying up to do up front before we're ready to pull it. We currently are cleaning out where we had all the plastics and all the junk. Let's go see where we're going. We got it in the backyard. Well, the parts are officially clean, slash semi-clean, pretty clean. Gonna do a little quick dry off and then we're gonna slam everything in this little shed. You can see we got a little part steel started already. And just get everything in there, out of the elements and out of the garage. And then we're almost ready to bring the frame inside and start moving stuff to where its final resting position will be. And this is our big junk pile, all broken stuff.